Hi everyone. So we're at the Bear Grylls experience. So you're parking in this car park, which is the car park E5. And when you get here, you'll get a token, which you then have to validate at the Bear Grylls entrance. And then you'll walk over from the car park, and you walk around the lake and head round Resort World over to the Bear Grylls experience. It's got a lovely path that takes you around. And if you're looking for a hotel to stay at the NEC, got the Crown Plaza, massive, and it is right next to Resort World. We've got an IMAX cinema, Hollywood Bowl, next outlet. And you can see right in the distance over there, that is Bear Grylls experience. And we've got a Nando's, the very popular Nando's at the Resort World. So look over here, more hotels, the Moxie over there, the Hilton, lots and lots of hotels in this area. And we've got Pizza Express, and then we've got TGI Fridays. And upstairs we've got the restaurant, the Miller and Carter restaurant. And we'll check this out later at the end of the Bear Grylls experience. And there's the current prices at the moment of TGI Fridays. 2 for 1 cocktails all day, every day. Got a motorbike in there, in that TGI Fridays. You see it? Inside. And then opposite the Resort World, you've got the Resort World Arena. See, it's huge, huge area. So we're going to have a little walk around the Resort World Shopping Centre later. Yeah, well, I've got a beautiful day photos, hoping the sun stays out and it don't rain later, because we will be on the climbing frame outside. So we're just hoping it does not rain. Hey, beautiful place. I've never actually been here before. I mean, I've been to the NEC, but for part of my job in the past, I've done all the trade shows over the years, and I've always been at the opposite side of the NEC. So I've never actually been over this side before. And there we have it, guys. The Bear Grylls experience. There's another view of the lake. We'll be doing that later, but first we are doing shooting, and then we're doing the climbing, and then after that we're doing archery. But you can't film any of the activities, not allowed. Let's just show you the actual place in the area. So we've got a little bit of time to kill. Have a quick look at the. So there's the climbing. That's pretty impressive. Apparently it's the highest in Europe. And they've got this massive life-size truck here. This is actually a real truck as well. I was looking at it earlier. I do believe it is a real truck. Not sure what it is. Looks like a Mack, but not sure. Just to note that you've got lockers here that you need to use if you're doing any I think you can test your strength. If you hang for 2 minutes, you win a kit bag. You've got to pay for it, £3 for one try. And we've got this amazing tree in here. You've got the assault course over there, which is quite fun. I had a go at it, but it absolutely wore me out. And you've got the scuba diving section just there. You can't film any of the activities if you're doing them yourself. It's got a nice little cafe here and a merch shop. 20% off if you're a Merlin pass holder as well. And you've got the climbing in the ropes area there.
VIP area.
Oh right, okay. VIP area. Okay, interesting. I'm in the shooting range and the archery. Oh, God. That's the shooting done by Grylls. Wife won it. She beat us. And this one. It was good fun. The gun's heavy though, very heavy. We're doing that next. We shall be climbing on the high ropes. Okay, so that's the high ropes done. I was defeated, I couldn't do it. I got to the first level and caved in. But the kids did it all the way to the top. All the way to the top. So this is the assault course. Have a quick look at it from the top. I've had a go at this once. I was absolutely shattered, so I'm not doing it again. So the assault course starts down there at the bottom, and you go around. And then you head up here and all the way across the course. Right, there's a bit you can't see around there, and that's the climbing under the rope. Crawling under the rope, sorry, not climbing. Oh, he's got to pull himself along the rope. And then I can't show you the bit we've got a fireman's pole at the end. And here we are for the archery. So we'll give this a try. And this will be the last one of the day. So we did shooting, which was quite good fun. Daughter had a small gun. The other two had a medium sort of size gun, and I had the heavy one with the silencer on it. But yeah, it was good fun. They also have an escape rooms here called Breakout, I do believe it's called, which looks quite interesting. There's a couple of escape rooms in this area, and they've got a quiet room should you need it. You can just relax a little bit. So yeah, overall there's quite a lot here to do at the Bear Grylls experience. We've just finished the archery. It was really good. The instructors were brilliant, absolutely fantastic. They were with the shooting actually. The instructors were really good. She had a couple of games, and then give you practice shots, and then they give you a couple of competitions. There was 8 of us in our group, so we were able to have a nice little competition against each other. So that was really good. And in the shooting, there was just us 4 doing it. So we had individual shooting, and then we had a little competition. So that was really good as well. So yeah, overall, quite enjoyed it here. So we did 3 events, but there's others you can book. So you can book the scuba diving and the iFly, and you can book the escape room. Oh, and we did, obviously we've got the high ropes as well. There's some people doing the climbing wall. Well, he's felt. It's tough for climbing here at the climbing wall section. Actually really tough. They do have instructors. Whoa. Which is actually
Oh, I've got the big jaw behind it.
Already they're scared that they can't show it.
It's filming.
yeah. There we go. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. We're outside ZZ's, I'm not going in. We can get a 3-course kids meal for $7.95. We've got North Face shop. Right, so we're in this centre, and we'll just show you what's up this level. So there's a casino and bar up here, which is quite popular. There's the Cineworld IMAX. There's the Vietnamese street kitchen, which is very popular. And then the Vortex gaming building room. So yeah, and this is upstairs, and then downstairs you've got more cafes, bars, and lots of shops. This is the street kitchen. So top level, you've got the Santai Spa and Leisure Club. There's a place you can go and do some pod work. Now, I've never seen one of these before. I've got to check it out, folks. What is it? Wow, you got a bucket. Is it locked? That is awesome. That is awesome. If you need to work, somewhere to work, what a place to do it. Spa looks good. It's got a leisure club, spa treatments. It's got a pool. So lots of shops in here. The Works, Beauty Outlet, Trespass. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. Highly recommend the Bear Grylls experience and having a walk around the Resort World Centre as well. Plenty of shops there and places to eat. So yeah, it's really good. I couldn't film any of the activities, you're not allowed, but for me personally, the archery and the shooting were the best. The instructors were absolutely fantastic at what they do. The kids personally enjoyed the high ropes climbing area outside. They enjoyed that the most. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and check out the members' channels also. Thank you and goodbye.